Hi, I'm Creely. I'm with Ziamatic Corporation. Today I'm going to show you the EZ-Out strapping system for the ULLH bracket. This system was designed to be more user-friendly than the original design and to address any issues that may have came about or concerns that may have came about with the original design. So the first thing we did, we incorporated a yellow stalk that reaches almost out to the seat edge. And this yellow stalk was incorporated with this design because others were getting lost behind the SCBA and it was getting hard to find them when you were releasing it and getting out of the seat. So you no longer have to worry about that. You can find this stalk and you can release it every time by pulling the red lanyard that you're used to, even with the old system. Once you release it, the strap falls out of the place and slips between the pack and the bunker gear with ease. It engages the same way into the latch. Once you hear that click, you know it's engaged and tight and will retain. And it releases the same way. One of the changes we did is we put the cam up top and we put a cam down bottom. And that allows you to adjust the strap length, which I like to make it super long so that you can get an SCBA in there and get your hand back there to engage the latch with ease. So once you have all that length, you lean your cylinder forward, put the male tab into the latch. Now I like to grab the bottom first and then the top second. By doing that, you literally cinch an SCBA the tightest it can be every time. So for these reasons, we feel that this is superior to the original or the standard strapping system, which does work and does work well, but this is a little more user-friendly. It can be retrofitted as model number EZO, or you can buy the bracket and the strap, ULLH-EZO. If you have any questions about this product, give us a call at 800-711-3473, or you can get information at ziamatic.com.